Hello friends, today I am here with one of the very important update from the budget 2021. So what is the update is there was one deletion of the paragraph 7 to the schedule 2. So what is being deleted is paragraph 7 of the schedule 2 was dealing with the activities to be treated as a supply of goods or services. So now what is being deleted is as per paragraph 7, the supply of goods by an incorporated association or body of a person to the members for a cash or deferred payment or other valuable consideration will be treated as a supply of goods under the GST. So this was the this was the paragraph that is being removed. So does that mean the services provided by clubs to its members will be exempted from GST? The answer is no. Why? Because the another clause AA has been added to the section 7 subsection 1. So what is being added? Supply includes transfer of any goods or services or both by a person to its members. That is the first that is part 1 of the subclause AA. What is the second part? Supply also includes transfer of any goods or services or both by the members to the association of person or the body of to the association of person. Third, the transfer referred above is covered as supply when undertaken for a cash or deferred payment or any other valuable consideration. So this is the clause AA that is being inserted. So now what was earlier that was the thing that was missing in the paragraph 7 to the schedule 2. That is, first it was including only goods. So now goods and services both are being included in the clause AA of the section 7 subsection 1. That is the first thing. Another thing, it was including only the supply that is being made by such association of person to its members. So it wasn't covering the reverse case when the services or the goods were being supplied by such persons to the association of persons. So that was not covering the second scenario. So now that is also being covered by adding the clause AA to the subsection 1 to the section 7, right? And there was also an explanation that is also being added. That is, explanation is deals with, it shall be deemed that the person and its member constitutes are two separate that will be considered as a two separate persons. Because earlier, if you are aware of, in the times of the service tax also and in the times of the GST also, there was one concept of mutuality, that members and the association of persons are the same persons, because without members there cannot be a association of person, and a same person cannot provide services to himself or the herself itself. So there was a concept of mutuality was there, and hence there were many issues, many litigations went up to the court. But in the GST, it was a prima facie clear by the paragraph 7 to the schedule 2. Now they have also made it very clear that it will include the goods and the services both. That is one thing, and that will also include the reverse supply, that is supply by members to such a body of such a transfer to the association of person as well. So that is also being made clear, and it is deeming fiction is there that these both would be considered as a different. So that is there. Accordingly, the supply of goods or services or both between the persons and its members and constituent both between its the person and its member shall be deemed to have been taken as supply from one person to the another. So chargeability in this case has been made very clear, though it was clear, but then by doing all these things, government has made these things very much clear, and this provision is being this provision has been added into the into the subsection 1 to the section 7. So things are being made very clear to avoid any disputes or any issues at a later date. So that's all. Thank you.